Hello everyone. In this video we are going to do the exercise of this chapter number 7, that is your introduction to database and database management system. We have already covered the explanation of the chapter. I hope you have seen the videos. And right now we are on the exercise portion. So see assessment A, we have the first question. What is a database? The answer is present on page number 74. On page number 74 you can see we have words to remember the first point. Database is an organized set of data that is stored in a computer and can be used in various ways. This is your first answer. Okay, now the second one, name some organizations that keep a database. Firstly, from the question you need to write down some organizations that keep a database are hotels, banks, schools, etc. Okay, now coming towards your quiz portion, see the first part. What is the full form of RDBMS? So firstly from the question, the full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. It is Relational Database Management System. Now the second one, who introduced the concept of RDBMS and in which year? So like this you have to write down the answer. E.F. Codd introduced the concept of RDBMS in 1970. Again, I am repeating it. E.F. Codd introduced the concept of RDBMS in 1970. This is the second answer for your quiz portion. Moving on towards our third part. The first one is MS Access stores related entries in its rows, which is called a record. The first answer is record. Second one, column also known as fields. Third one, a form is like a fill in the blank sheet where the particulars are to be filled by hand. The fourth one, MS Access arranges data in the form of tables. Okay, so with this our assessment A got completed. Now moving towards your assessment B part. See the first one. Every piece of information in a table is called a value. It is a value. Second one. A dash is ready-made database including tables, queries, forms and report. Answer is your template. Third one. Using dash view and using design view are the two main ways to create a table. Answer is data sheet. And the last one, a table, dash is an indication for the kind of table that is to be created. Answer is your structure. So first is value, second template, third is data sheet and the last one is your structure. This is about your multiple choice question. Moving towards your very short answer question, see the first one. Write two advantages of maintaining a database. Answer is present on page number 61. Page number 61, we have the first page of this chapter over here. You have to write down from this portion. These are the advantages of maintaining a database. Now the first one, reduction of useless data. Second one is easy data retrieval. Only this is the answer. Okay, now your second question, give two examples of RDBMS software. Now firstly from the question you need to write down. The two examples of RDBMS software are Oracle and MS Access. Don't write this Fox Pro. Oracle and MS Access. Okay, this is about your very short answer question. I hope you all have followed. Now the third one, short answer question. See the first one. Name the ways to create a database in MS Access. The answer is present on page number 63. On page number 63 you open. Over here. At the bottom you see following are the ways to create a database in MS Access. First one is blank database, second creating a database using a template, and third one is downloading a database from Microsoft Office online. This is your answer for short answer first question. Okay, now coming towards your second one. Second question is, what is a primary key? Answer is present on page number 74. You see words to remember. We have last third line. Primary key is used to relate a table to an outside key in another table. Only this is the answer. Fine. The third short answer question you see. Name the four views to work with a table in MS Access. Firstly, from the question, the four views to work with a table in MS Access are: point number 1, data sheet view; point number 2, pivot table view; point number 3, pivot chart view; and point number 4, design view. Include this view with every point. Okay, so these are your three short answers. Moving on towards your long answer question, see the first one. Write a brief note on objects of database. Page number 62 you open for this answer. Page number 62. Over here, objects of database. So you have to write down from the second line, not the second line, from the first line you write down. All objects of a database are stored in a single file and are managed through the database window. There are some of the main objects of the database. Firstly, then a heading, this table. A table in a database contains actual data till detail types in a record you write down. Then the next heading, query. Start from this one till database you write down. Then the next heading, form. Start from the first line till filled by hand you write down. And for the report, complete 2 lines you write down. Okay, this is your long answer question, first part. Now coming towards the second one, write down the steps. Over here, write down the steps to create a database using a template. Answer is present on page number 64. Please open page number 64 for that. This is your page number 64. At the middle portion you see over here, we follow these steps to create a database using a template. Okay, from this line, step number 1, 2, 3, 4, complete 4 steps till your create button. This is your second answer. Now for the third question, write down the steps to create a blank table using data sheet view. Answer is present on 65. Directly I am opening just page number 65. Okay, this is your page number 65. Third answer we are talking for. Now start writing from this one. We use these steps to create a table using data sheet view. Step number 1, complete. Step number 2, till table group. Step number 3, complete. 4, complete. 5, complete. 6, complete. Okay, only step number 2 में reduction you have, that is click table from the tables group. Only the first line you need to write down. This is your answer number 3 of long answer question. Now for the fourth one, what are the data types in a table structure? That is your question number 4. Answer is present on page number 66. So you see it over here. These are some of the data types. On page number 66 we are. These are some of the data types. Now firstly the heading, text field. Start writing from the first line till calculation. Then second heading, numeric field. Start writing from a numeric field till spatial symbol. For the third, currency field, complete. Date time field, memo field, logical field, all the things complete. Okay, numeric field also you write down complete. Only for the first one, text field, 2 lines you write down. This is your fourth answer. Fourth answer of long answer question. Now see the fifth question in your book. Write down the steps to create a table using design view. Answer is present on page number 67 over here. 67 per we have this one. See, we use these steps to create a table using design view. Step number 1, complete. Step number 2, till tables group. Step number 3, complete. Step number 4, complete. Step number 5, complete. Step number 6 and 7 also complete. This is about your question number 5 of long answer type question. Okay, now the last question, explain various modifications that can be done to change data in MS Access. Please open page number 70 for that. Firstly from here you write down, we can modify a table in MS Access in the following way. Firstly this heading, then complete paragraph. Then second heading, add a new field or column till this new column. Fourth line, new column you write down. Third one, update a record complete. And last one, deleting a record also complete. This is your sixth answer of long answer question. Okay, so with this our assessment B portion also got completed. Now you see this assessment C part. Assessment C part में firstly we have this match the following question. See the first one, control plus S is to save a database. Control plus O is for opening an existing database. F2 is for renaming a table. Alt plus F4 is to close MS Access. Okay, and question number 2 also you need to write down in the copy. Now you see, create a database on your family which should include the following field. All these fields should be there. Okay, so these are your field types, means columns you have, and let's see how we are going to write it down. Like this, you have to make a table. Over here is a column number 1, that is your name, and all the columns you are going to write down as they are given in your book. Okay, over your profession and date of birth and everything. Now how many members you have in the family, the same number of rows you need to add on. Let's say first row is for your father. Okay, so what is the name of your father, what is the age of your father. Okay, now everything you need to write down. Then for your mother, then for your siblings, all the siblings. Okay, so you just make a table in your copy by yourself. Fine, now with this your chapter number 7 also got completed. In case of any doubt, you please do ask me either in the live class, or you just comment me in this video itself. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you all have understood this properly. Thank you so much.